Hey there, I'm Sundeep August. This is the Sundeep August Show. Today, I want to talk to you about something truly powerful and inspiring. Haka, a traditional Maori dance and cultural expression from New Zealand. It is a highly ritualized and powerful performance that involves a combination of physical movements, chanting, singing, and vocal expressions. The Haka holds deep cultural significance for the Maori people and has historical roots that date back centuries. You might have seen the Haka on the rugby field or in many viral videos. But there is so much more to it than meets the eye. Haka is not just a traditional dance, it's a symbol of strength, unity, and cultural pride for the Maori people of New Zealand. You're getting started on the Sundeep August Show. Let's start with Haka's origin and evolution. Haka originated from Maori warriors preparing for combat and has been practiced for centuries. It began as a war dance that warriors would perform to terrify their adversaries and boost their own fearlessness. As time has gone on, it has become more than just a battle cry. It is now a way to express feelings, celebrate accomplishments, and respect ancestors. It has become a symbol of the Maori people's fortitude and unity. I don't know about you, but every time I watch someone do the Haka, I get emotional and I get severe, passionate goosebumps all over my body. It's such a cathartic feeling, I tell you. And I'm only watching. I'm not performing or anything. Can you imagine the adrenaline and vibration in your body when you're actually performing it? Truly sensational. In modern culture, Haka has gained worldwide recognition thanks to the New Zealand All Blacks rugby team, which is one of the most successful and popular teams in the world. The All Blacks do the Haka before every match, and their performance has helped to popularize the Haka around the world. Haka today is often performed at sporting events, weddings, and cultural festivals. Social media has played a significant role in spreading the popularity of the Haka. Videos of people performing the Haka from all over the world have gone viral, helping to introduce the Haka to new people and cultures. The stirring demonstration of solidarity unites people and captivates audiences. It serves as a constant reminder that we are more formidable as a unified front. So, what can Maori Haka teach us about strength? It demonstrates that strength is not only physical, but also mental and emotional. The intense facial expressions and coordinated movements represent determination and resilience. Haka teaches us that inner strength is the source of genuine power. It serves as a reminder that we have the strength to handle any struggles we come across. It reminds us to stand tall and face adversity head on. Unity is another key lesson we can learn from Haka. When performing as a group, every individual plays a crucial role. It reminds us that we are all connected and that our collective efforts can achieve great things. Haka teaches us to support and uplift one another. It fosters a sense of unity and belonging when done as a group. It reminds us that our strength is greater when we unite as a group than when we stand apart. Do the Haka with your family. Do the Haka with your friends. Do the Haka with your team members. Today, with the work from home and all that, you don't even need to do the Haka in person. You can do it virtually as well. Bring teams together. Bring people together. See the magic that Haka can have on you, on your people. Just remember, do it well. Do it respectfully. Cultural pride is at the heart of Haka. Haka is a way of expression for the Maori people. They expressed their identity and heritage with immense pride through Haka. No matter where we are from, Haka teaches us the value of embracing our own cultures and traditions. Haka encourages us to respect and celebrate cultural diversity. It encourages us to embrace our heritage and appreciate our individuality. If you're a member of a minority group in your town or in your college or in your workplace, Haka can help you embrace and celebrate your cultural identity. Your individuality is a strength. It aids in the development of a strong feeling of self and self-worth. It instills in us a sense of pride in our identity and heritage. As you may have observed, Haka is frequently performed in groups, which fosters a sense of belonging and cooperation. Haka, as a communal practice, can develop a sense of belonging and togetherness among people, whether in college or on a professional team. You're listening to the Sundeep Show. Haka isn't just about emotions. It also has physical benefits. Practicing Haka improves your physical fitness by increasing strength, agility, endurance, and coordination because of its dynamic movements. It is an excellent workout that gets the pulse pumping and the muscles working. The Haka is comprised of rhythmic movements, stomping, and gestures, which can provide an excellent cardio exercise. Mentally, Haka makes us tough. It requires focus, discipline, and perseverance. By pushing ourselves beyond our limits, we develop mental resilience and the ability to overcome challenges. Haka enhances our self-esteem. A successful Haka practice and performance can increase one's sense of self-worth and confidence. Learning the choreography and being able to perform it in front of an audience can be an empowering experience. Haka improves our ability to focus. The Haka necessitates focus and attention to detail. Practicing and performing Haka over and over and over and over again can improve mental focus and discipline. Haka is also a powerful form of self-expression. Through its rhythmic chants and ferocious movements, we are able to express our emotions and discover voice. We can express who we really are and establish a connection with our inner selves through it. It lifts our spirits. Physical exertion and rhythmic chanting can trigger the production of endorphins, which are natural mood boosters. This can help combat feelings of anxiety and depression. Haka is more important than ever in the current chaotic world in which we find ourselves. It reminds us of our roots, strengthens our communities, and helps us navigate through life's ups and downs. Haka is a source of inspiration, motivation, and absolute empowerment. This is the Sundeep Show. So, how can we incorporate Haka into our lifestyle? Start by learning the basics through online tutorials or YouTube videos. Practice regularly with friends or family. Perform it at gatherings or events to share its power with others. If possible, make Haka a part of your journey towards strength, unity, and cultural pride. It is acceptable for non-Maori people and groups to perform the Haka, but they should do it respectfully and be aware of its cultural significance. The Haka is a powerful manifestation of Maori culture that is frequently performed during sporting events, cultural festivals, and special gatherings. Around the world, a lot of non-Maori people and groups learn and perform the Haka as a kind of entertainment to honor Maori culture or to encourage cross-cultural understanding. Just keep these things in mind if you're planning on doing the Haka. The Haka must be performed with the utmost reverence for Maori customs and values. Understand the cultural significance and historical context of the Haka. Take advice from the pros, the actual Maori pros. Seek help and advice from Maori cultural practitioners or experts if you can. They can teach you the right way to say the words, move your body, and help you understand the cultural details of the Haka. Always seek to be genuine in your performances. Instead of making up your own Haka, you should learn and execute one that already exists, complete with the intended choreography and meaning. Non-Maori people and groups can perform the Haka in a way that honors and celebrates the Maori culture by approaching it with respect, cultural awareness, and a desire to study and comprehend its meaning. Haka is not just a dance, it's a way of life. It's a form of art that lets your emotions flow freely, leaving you feeling empowered and liberated. Let it foster strength and unity within you. Embrace its teachings and let its spirit guide you on your path to becoming the best version of yourself. Don't worry, if you don't have an audience to show off your Haka to, perform it in front of a mirror. This can help you to see how you look and feel when you express yourself fully. Perform the Haka with others, your friends, your family, your colleagues. This can be a powerful way to connect with others and to build a sense of community. Use the Haka to prepare for a challenging task. Performing the Haka can help you to boost your courage and to focus on your goal. Between you and me, I did the Haka in whatever capacity I could before getting started on this episode. Yeah. Use the Haka to celebrate your accomplishments. Got a new car? Do the Haka. Got good marks? Do the Haka. She said yes? Do the Haka. Got a good job offer? Do the Haka. Performing the Haka is a great way to express your pride and to celebrate your successes. Just remember, this is not Gangnam Dance. This is Haka. Respect it. Do it respectfully. All right, that's all we have for today. I am Sundeep August. This is the Sundeep August Show. Hope you enjoyed this episode. I'll be back soon. Until the next, stay fierce, stay connected, and awaken the warrior within through Haka. Yataha! This is the Sundeep August Show.